Hey Emma, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 6:30 a.m. in the morning.
That's early. Do you wake up on your own?
No, I set an alarm. Otherwise, I'd oversleep.
Same here. My alarm goes off at 6:45 a.m.
Do you hit the snooze button?
Always. At least twice.
Me too. It's hard to get up sometimes.
What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
That's refreshing. I drink water first.
Drinking water in the morning is healthy.
Do you take a shower in the morning or evening?
In the morning, it helps me feel awake.
I prefer evening showers. It relaxes me.
What about breakfast? Do you eat at home?
Yes, I usually make toast and eggs.
That's nice. I love oatmeal and fruit.
Do you make coffee or tea?
Coffee, always. I need it to function.
I like green tea in the morning.
Green tea is a good choice, too.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave around 8 a.m.
That's not too early.
My office is close to my house.
Lucky you. I commute for 45 minutes.
Wow, that's a long commute.
Yeah, traffic is terrible in the morning.
Do you listen to music while driving?
Yes, always. Music keeps me calm.
I take the subway, so I listen to podcasts.
That's smart. Which podcast do you like?
I like self-improvement podcasts.
I prefer comedy podcasts in the morning.
Do you check emails on the way?
No, I wait until I reach the office.
That's good. Mornings should be peaceful.
What time does your work start?
At 9 a.m. sharp.
Same here. Do you work in a team?
Yes, I work with 5 other people.
That must be interesting.
It is. We have good teamwork.
What kind of work do you do?
I handle marketing projects.
Sounds creative.
What do you do at work?
I'm in customer service. Lots of calls.
That sounds challenging.
It can be. But I enjoy helping people.
Do you take short breaks at work?
Yes. A coffee break at 11.
Same here. I love snack time.
What do you eat during breaks?
Usually fruit or biscuits.
I eat a granola bar.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Sometimes. Other times I eat out.
I bring homemade lunch every day.
That's healthy and saves money.
What do you eat for lunch?
Sandwich or salad, mostly.
I love rice with grilled chicken.
Sounds delicious.
Do you get sleepy after lunch?
Every day. It's so hard to stay awake.
I know. I drink a second coffee.
Same. Coffee saves the afternoon.
What time do you finish work?
Around 5:30 p.m.
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you go straight home?
Usually. Sometimes I stop by the store.
I go to the gym after work.
That's a good habit.
Do you exercise in the evening?
I go for a 30-minute walk.
That's great. Walking is good for health.
It helps me clear my mind.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Yes, soft music or nature sounds.
That's peaceful.
What time do you get home?
Around 7 p.m.
I get home by 6:30.
What's the first thing you do at home?
I change into comfy clothes.
Me too. It feels so relaxing.
Do you cook your own dinner?
Yes. I try to cook something simple.
What did you cook last night?
Chicken stir fry.
I made vegetable soup.
That's healthy.
Do you eat alone or with someone?
I usually eat while watching YouTube.
I eat at the table, then watch a show.
What shows do you watch?
Mostly comedies or dramas.
I like thrillers and documentaries.
Do you spend time on social media?
A little, mostly Instagram.
I prefer Pinterest and YouTube.
What time do you relax in bed?
Around 9:30 p.m.
That's early. I relax around 10.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, I read for 15 minutes.
I read too. It helps me sleep.
What do you read?
Fiction and short stories.
I read biographies or self-help.
Do you turn off lights early?
By 11 p.m.
I sleep by 10:30 p.m. usually.
That's a healthy schedule.
Do you plan the next day at night?
Sometimes. It helps me stay organized.
I write a to-do list in a notebook.
That's smart.
So, do you think daily routines help us?
Absolutely. They keep life balanced.
And they reduce stress.
I agree. Structure is good.
Well, it's time for bed.
Yeah. Time to sleep and recharge.
Good night, Alex.
Good night, Emma. Sweet dreams.